The best ceramic coating in 2024 is Ceramic Pro Ion, hands down. Let's talk about it. Whether you're a car enthusiast or you're just looking for the ultimate paint protection for your vehicle surface, ceramic coatings are a game changer. They protect your paint against oxidation, UV damage, bird droppings, and they make cleaning your car a breeze. By now, everyone's heard the term nano ceramic coating, as it has become the new standard for protecting automotive paint. But now, Ceramic Pro has introduced ion exchange technology to the ceramic coating industry. Ion is the first multi-layer ceramic coating that is comprised of a base coat and a top coat and is a two-component system. So what makes it so special? Traditional ceramic coatings work usually with a base layer which is hard and a top layer which is usually slick, and they stack on top of each other creating thickness. But with ion exchange technology, remember it's a two-component system, so your base layer bonds permanently to the paint, while your top layer actually exchanges ions with the base layer to create a coating that's harder, thicker, and overall more durable. Because of Ion's unique chemistry, Ion can actually bond to the paint quicker, and it will cure sooner, allowing you to enjoy your car much faster. If you're looking for a ceramic coating that actually protects your car, there's no doubt Ceramic Pro Ion stands above the rest because of its durability against staining and its hydrophobic effect that actually stands the test of time. I'm Adam with Ceramic Pro. If you have any other questions or comments, please drop them down below.